Hey, I got a great job to show you. When you talk about great homeowners, they were the most pleasurable, amazing people to work with you could ever do. Unfortunately, this is a couple that hired someone to build the project, to remodel their pool actually, and they went bankrupt on them. And unfortunately, it happened to somebody really good like these people, and they got screwed. And they had to hire me to come in and finish it. But I'm going to show you how beautiful this place looks. So this was an existing pool that got remodeled by somebody that did not finish the job. They went bankrupt on the homeowner. So we had to come in and finish it and fix everything they did because it was messed up so bad. But this is a complete finished project. Look how beautiful it looks. We used travertine coping around the pool and around the whole spa. The spa is level with the pool, which is beautiful. And we used a 24 by 36, I believe, format tiles all the way across the back. So there's no grout lines except actually every 4 feet there's a grout line. But that looks so beautiful. And the simplicity of the wash finish concrete turned out absolutely beautiful. And then this whole planning area with the seating area worked out really just gorgeous. Future fire pit right here. Then little seating area for a table and chairs, and then a barbecue with an amazing pizza oven. There's my permit box, gotta take that back. But anyway, it's just a great yard. It's beautiful, it's fun, and very tranquil. You come back here and you just want to sit and relax.